How to fix Instagram not working easy and quick on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open a Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here and then click on it. And now after that, don't open Instagram, just go to settings and go to battery, and here we'll find ultra power saving mode. Now enable it and wait few seconds, and then disable it. You will find an exit button here or something like that. And then after that, go back, try again and restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix it, and see you in the next video.